I'll get this close up here. Lowering springs, folks.
So, this is the old one, this is the old rear one, and this is the new rear one. So yeah, you can clearly tell we're raising it up a little bit. Probably.
I mean, you could always adjust it after.
3 inches. Yeah.
Yeah, it needs it though.
Roughly 3 inches in the back. So, yeah. Hey, how you doing there? Alright. So, the rear tow arms are in. The racing tow arms. I forget what they're called. What?
Megan.
Megan?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Megan. The Megan racing tow arms, rear tow arms are in. We're gonna get some footage of this. They're in, and all 4 coilovers are in, and everything is tightened down. So, that's good. Now, if you'll take a look under here, well, first you can take a look at the handymanship, the handiwork.
Hold that.
There they are. Alright. Here's the passenger side. Here's the driver. Here's the front. All up in there, good and good. Alright, and if you take a look under here, we got a little exhaust problem. Can you see it there?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, because the guy decided to drag the car on the ground. So, I think I'm gonna have a simple solution for that. Instead of replacing it, I'm just gonna make a little patch in that exact shape and just leave it like that, leave it flat, because that's the easiest, simplest, cheapest way to do it for Jack, who owns this car now. So, gonna get to that. Gonna get on that. Alrighty. Let me explain something real quick.
Yeah, because I don't know what's going on.
So, basically I'm just using some scrap pipe, 3-inch stainless that I have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right down the center, the long ways. I'm going to basically spread it, flatten this out, and then just trace this shape. I'm going to weld these together so it's long enough. I'm just going to trace the shape and then cut it out of these 3 flat pieces. Like, these are all going to be basically flat. And then I'm just going to trace it out and it'll be a flat patch basically. Yeah. It's dropped down. As you can see, The front, I'm gonna say the front is a good ride height. Might lower it a little bit. The back, I'm definitely gonna have to lower a little bit. About an inch between the tire and the fender. So, I'm gonna take it out, let it drive it a little bit to let the suspension settle, and then bring it back in. That way we can, I can adjust the coilovers and lower it a little bit. Ha! Rocky! You crazy man.